Well, as you can see, it's not a very nice day. It said the weather was breaking a bit, so I got that wood glued together and mounted today, but we're not going to be doing it outside for a bit. So instead of being stuck inside all the time, it stopped raining actually, and it's now showers. Anyway, you can probably see I've been buying junk here, and I thought, well, just something to do. Supposed to have a good camera on, aren't they? People take videos with them and everything else. So I thought, just for something to do and something to show you, I can have a... Just a minute, I'm going to concentrate not to crash on this roundabout in case people see me there. Right, people use them, don't they? So I thought, just a short video, just a bit, and I've got that mount that if I go down this road, and then I'm going to see if I can mount the camera the other way around. That mount I made for my Vader is brilliant, just a couple of elastic bands holds it on. So that mount's come, and so bloody car went through here. There you are, made it. Yeah, so what I'll do, when I'm just a bit down the road here, we're not doing a very long one, I thought I'd just see if we can set this camera up and see what sort of video we get for a comparison. Right, we'll see how we get on. It's not very stable actually. We'll have to do something a bit better, but I'm just doing it, I just want a comparison because to see, you know, because that just, my other camera is just tucked under the headrest, you know, well, rather it's got a elastic strap over it on the headrest, and you've seen the video it produces when you're driving. It was good, and I sort of got that from my tractor one. Well, that was nice of them. They all stopped to let me out, so can't complain about that, can I? Truck still goes alright, doesn't it, you see? So we'll just get a bit of video for a comparison on these two bits, and I've chosen to come this way for a bit of reasonable road. You know, a bit smooth road. Buy a gimbal, that's the answer to it, but I don't want to do that. Other people will know, well, there's my bit of wood glued together and mounted, look. But as I say, I don't think we're going to be able to do it for a day or two. Anyway, I've got a little bit of video in the car. It's never good. It's not good, nowhere near as easy as this camera. By the way, another reason I got it, because it's a iPhone 6S, and I got it because I thought I could do some live video just for a bit of a fun sometime. Well, I tried a Facebook one and it's in portrait all the time, it won't go to landscape. So I don't know if anybody knows, if you could tell us if it will do it or how to do it, because I can't find out. I've spent quite a long while looking at videos and that, of course, trying to find it, but it seems a bit obscure. So if you happen to know if it will do it or if it won't, you know, or if you've got one and do it, let us know. Ta? Right, we'll see what we've got, eh?